Hi, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on whatever time you are watching this lovely video. Today, I'll be showing you how to detangle your hair at home using very simple things that you have at home, like your conditioner. And without further ado, let's get to it. So, one, you'll need a container. I had already mixed my stuff inside here. So, what I mixed was conditioner, any conditioner of your choice, and warm water. Then the other things that you need are wide tooth combs to use as detangling tools. So let me show you how to do it. So I had already detangled these other parts of camera, and I have this one part to show it to you. So let's get it. Let's do it. So let's start. So this is a quarter, I guess, of, I had 4 braids initially. So what I'll do is I'll further divide this into 2 parts. Don't worry, my hair is dirty. I'm doing this so that I can be able to wash it without breaking any part of my hair. So I'll put this in a twist and I start working on this part. So maybe you're wondering how many parts I used for conditioner and how many parts of water I used to make this. So I used 2 parts of conditioner, that is 2 tablespoons, and that I used double the amount for water, so that's 4 tablespoons of water. So let's continue. What I'll do is I'll dip my finger in the mixture and then apply it on my hair this way. Remember how important the ends are. For you to retain growth or for you to have long hair, I think you really need to take care of your ends. That's something I never used to do in the past, and my hair just couldn't grow, but now I can see some difference. You'll start combing from the ends towards the roots. Be gentle. See how easy that was? And that's it. Then put it in a braid. You don't want it to get tangled again, so put it in a braid. And that's how easy that was. And now to our final one, which is this part here. We'll do the same thing. Dip your finger in your mixture, the mixture of conditioner and water, warm water for that matter. Then apply it on your hair. If you have a spraying bottle, you can always use it. I don't have one. The one I had decided to disappoint me. So finger detangle a little. Then take your wide tooth comb, start from the ends and be gentle. And towards the roots. And that's it. That's how easy that was. See? Well detangled hair. And then now put it in a braid. braid helps with stopping your hair from getting tangled again. And that's that. That's that, people. We are done. I now have tangle free hair. So thank you very much, guys, for watching to this mark, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you haven't watched my other videos, make sure you watch them. Until next time, go ahead, guys.